Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Jobs Info. Today in this video, let us see how to show long digit numbers in Excel. Okay. So before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the job updates and also the Excel tips daily. Okay. So please subscribe. And here are the steps how we can show these long digits in Excel. Okay. So here you can see the steps. At first you need to select the data, then type single quote wherever the in which in the start of the cell, okay, wherever you wanted to. Okay, so here is the expected output. Like sometimes when we do some calculations in Excel, there is a need of entering some bank account numbers, right? So in that case you will get like this. Only if you double click only you will be able to see this complete number, right? In that case it will be a error, right? So in order to eradicate this, I'll help you with a method. Okay, so here is the expected output. You can see the bank account number is completely visible, right? So let us see how to do this using these steps. Okay, at first you need to select the data. Okay, I'm selecting this particular data. Okay, here I have taken the data as bank name as ICICI and bank code and bank account number. Okay, generally there will be a bank account number length of 15 digits, right? So sometimes it could be 12 digits like that. Okay, so in that case, in order to show it completely, we can use one shortcut method. At first you need to select the data. Okay, then you need to type single quote. Okay, single quote is represented like this. Let me show up here. So it could be present in the keyboard where you will see just before enter symbol. Okay, where you are just typing enter, there you will find that single quote. Okay, in order to get that you can directly click like this. Okay, so you will get the single quote. Okay, so let me show up here. Okay, this is the single quote. Let me show here. Okay, so this is the single quote. You can find it here. See, right, this is the single quote. Okay, at first as mentioned in the steps, you just need to select the data at first and type single quote in the start of the cell. Okay, this is the cell. This is called one cell, this is called one cell. In Excel we will call one block as a cell, right? So you just need to type here as single quote. Okay, now the number is completely visible. Same likewise you can also type for HDFC also, right? So you can press F4 to get the same. Okay, so let me do in a manual process as of now. Okay, so let me click single quote here and again single quote. Okay, so again for axis I'm just pressing single quote. Okay, so you will be able to see the complete bank account number when you are submitting for checks, for approvals, for invoices. You will be able to get the complete there is a need of getting a complete bank account number, right? So if you get in a different manner, it doesn't look good. The account number seems to be wrong. So in that case you can use this formula. See, here you can see the single quote. This is the single quote we have mentioned, and you will be able to see the complete bank account number. So the output could be, let me copy and paste the output here, right? So the expected, the output whatever we have got is same as the expected output. So seems it is working, right? So I request you to please follow this quotation. Okay, this quote. Okay, so that you will be able to get the complete formula. Okay, and I hope this video helps you a lot, and please subscribe for more videos and follow and subscribe and like this video for supporting us. Okay, that's all from my end. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.